I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. If you are new to the channel, welcome, sis. And honey, if you're returning, welcome back. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Y'all, it's Thanksgiving. I'm ready to eat. You feel what I'm saying? But I wanted to jump on here real quick and go like review this palette with y'all. So today I'm just gonna, as you can see, I already have my face done, so I wanted to just come on here and do an eye look because I want, I had to get cute for Thanksgiving. Y'all know that, right? You gotta get cute for Thanksgiving. It don't matter if we can do something or not. I hope y'all are having an amazing Thanksgiving. Me, myself, I swear the kitchen has been kicking my butt today, y'all. But it's finally done. Like, it's finally done. By the time you see this, I have already eaten, hopefully. And yeah, so I wanted to come on here and just do an eye look with you all. My Colourpop at Foresight Raw Beauty Kristi collab palette came in, I think, yesterday, and I gotta play in this. So I wanted to come on here and do a look with you all. This is what the palette is looking like. This is the only thing I could snag from the collection. Everything else was sold out. This is the palette itself, and these are the shades. I was so glad I was able to get the palette, but she has some Super Shock shadows, but they haven't come back in stock. So when they come in stock, I may grab, there's like 2 of them that I want. So yeah, but yeah, I want to come on here and do this eyeshadow with you all. Let's just jump right into it, okay? Today I'm going to actually be using the Madison Beer brushes from her collection with Morphe. I hauled those in my last video. If you haven't seen that, check it at the top. But I'm going to, let's see what we're going to start out with. These are all like, I watched her video, but I hope I don't butcher these names, but these are all like names of like mushrooms and stuff from the Pacific Northwest, which is like up in Washington area. So okay, let's just get started. Let's take this shade here. It's called Chanterelle. Girl. Have I primed my eyes? I'm gonna use this concealer by CoverGirl. We're gonna use that to prime our eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead to get started with the eyeshadows. I'm just gonna jump in the shade Chanterelle, I believe it's called. Ooh. Let me zoom y'all in. That's it, honey. I'm just putting it in and we're just gonna blend it out. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Rainier, which is this 3rd shade on the top. And it has some kickback in the palette, but not a whole lot. Colourpop shadows are super duper pigmented. I feel like when brands do like collabs with people, I feel like they bring out their best eyeshadows. Oh wow, you know what I mean? Like that particular person, they want the eyeshadows to pop. They know how, if they know exactly how, they want the eyeshadow palette to be, perform and stuff like that, they're gonna ask for a different type of formula, or they're gonna ask for more pigment, or they're gonna ask for different stuff. Versus, it may be other people who just are like, no. And it may be other people who are cool with what they're given, which is not saying nothing, but I just feel like collab palettes, which I don't even use a lot of Colourpop eyeshadows, and there's nothing wrong with the Colourpop eyeshadows. I feel like Colourpop come out with too many eyeshadows, but because I can't keep up, okay? I've stopped trying to keep up when they were just like busting them out left and right. I was like, I can't keep up. And I'm trying to bring that up as much as possible, because I don't want too much eyelid space just marinating, you know what I'm saying? So let's keep deepening the crease up. Let's go into the shade Homegrown. It looks like it's a a deeper brown shade. I don't want to say like a purpley brown, but it's not. It's kind of like a Amanita, looks like it has like a little bit of purple in it, but this one is like a dark brown. What I love about Kristi's collabs that I have noticed so far is the fact that she, like, they're very pigmented. They're not pale. Like, it doesn't, you know, look like, you know how you can look at a palette and tell if you can wear it or not. You know what I'm saying? And her collabs have, they're very like, this is for everybody type of situation. So I love how her palettes are like that. I'm gonna go on top of that with this shade Evergreen because I didn't get any of her Super Shock shadows. And I'm just gonna take this Real Techniques base eyeshadow brush, I believe. I didn't put anything on my lid to help it adhere, so. And I'm gonna take the shade West Coast, which is the metallic-y like gold shade, and put that right there. Oof. Yes. Yes, hunty. I'm gonna deepen up that outer portion of my eye and put some of this Amanita on the outer. Amanita is, I want to say it's a mushroom, but I would be lying if I said it was a mushroom, because as you can tell from the packaging, most of her shade names are like mushrooms. So alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyes, put on eyeliner, lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. How do we like it? I love that this palette is very diverse. Like it's not only for the fair skin, if you know what I mean. This is definitely a fall palette. If you're able to get your hands on it, go ahead and snatch it up. I believe it was like $20 because it is a collab palette with Colourpop, but Colourpop never disappoints. Go ahead and support Raw Beauty Kristi. If you have any questions on anything, just leave them down in the comment section. I will put everything that's on my face down in the description box. And also, oh yeah, these are my lashes, Slay Lashes restocked today. These are in the style Virgo. Those are the ones that I have on right now. And I absolutely love them. Those are Virgo. These are Sugar. They restocked, as well as Juicy. And there's like 9 styles on my website. So go ahead and log on to beautybydbeasley.com. Get you some lashes. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.